Stop using synthetic fragrances. Lavender is your natural fragrance solution. Lavender isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's pure poetry in a plant. Picture fields of endless purple swaying gently in the breeze. That's lavender, nature's own relaxation remedy. This fragrant flower isn't just about looks, it's a wellness powerhouse. Stressed out? Lavender essential oil can calm your senses. Trouble sleeping? A few drops on your pillow might be the ticket to dreamland. And for your skin, it's like a gentle kiss from nature, soothing and healing. But wait, there's more. Culinary enthusiasts rejoice. Lavender adds a unique twist to dishes and desserts. Imagine a lavender-infused honey drizzled over your morning toast. Delicious, right? From beauty to wellness and even your kitchen, lavender's versatility is truly magical. Embrace the lavender lifestyle and let this purple wonder weave its magic into your life. Discover the magic of lavender today and let nature's purple gem transform your world. If you found these tips helpful, please like and share the video, and please subscribe to this channel so you won't miss our future videos about staying young, affordable ways to enjoy life and say no to boring living. Thank you for watching.